In this video, I will tell you how to transfer and reactivate your Windows license after changing your computer or upgrading hardware, and what you should do if Windows does not activate automatically. In many cases, if you had your Windows license connected to a Microsoft account on your old computer, simply logging into the same Microsoft account on the new PC should activate Windows automatically after connecting to the Internet. However, sometimes this does not happen, or maybe you never linked your license to a Microsoft account in the first place. If that happens, there are still several things you can try. First, open Settings, then go to Update and Security and open the Activation section. There you should find the Troubleshoot option. Run the Activation Troubleshooter and select the option saying I changed hardware on this device recently. This allows Microsoft to verify your account and reconnect the license to your current hardware. If you still have your original Windows product key, you can also manually enter it again in the activation menu. This is especially useful if your license was never linked to a Microsoft account. Another very important thing is checking what type of Windows license you actually own, because not every license can be transferred to another computer. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type the command slmgr/dli or slmgr/dlv. After pressing Enter, Windows will show information about your activation type. If your license is retail, you can normally move it to another computer as long as it is only active on one device at a time. But if your license is OEM, it is usually tied directly to your motherboard and other hardware, which means you generally cannot legally transfer it to a different PC. Also remember that one Windows product key can only be activated on one computer at the same time. Sometimes activation can also take a few minutes after connecting to the Internet, so restarting your computer once or twice may help. Overall, most activation issues after changing hardware can be fixed either by reconnecting your Microsoft account using the troubleshooter or manually entering the product key again. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.